In this example, I will show you how to load some of the components in an assembly. This command can be applied only if we change the session configuration. Then go to Tools and select Options. From General, in the General tab, deactivate the Load Reference Documents option. Then confirm the modification. Now, let's open the required document. Click Open icon and double-click the example document. As you see, all the components are unloaded now, and that is why link symbol displayed in the icon. If sometimes a zebra symbol displayed, that means the document's reference cannot be found in the specified directories. Let's now load some of the elements. Then select the element that you want to download, for instance, crank frame 1, and click the selective load icon. As you see, the Product Load Management dialog box displayed. Click the selective load symbol. As you see, the name of the selected component displayed in the box. Click OK to confirm. You see now, crank frame 1 is loaded and displayed. OK, then let's see how to work with the depth level. We can do the rest of our example in the present situation. But to make the most of it, let's close the document and reopen it without saving. Click on the selective load command. The Product Load Management panel is displayed. In the specification tree, select Set 1, Subset 1. Set the depth level to number 1. Click the load icon in the command panel in order to confirm the selection. And click OK. As you see, the children still not loaded. OK, then let's repeat the operation and use this time 2 levels. First, let's unload it. Let's select it again, and then click Selective Load icon. Set the depth level to number 2. Click the load icon, and click OK. This time, let's use all option. One more time, and load Set 1. Let's select it again, and then click Selective Load icon. Set all levels. Click the load icon, and then click OK.